Good morning, students. Today we will continue with chapter 4, that is endocrine system of class 8 biology. Now students, today we are going to discuss the second part of the central nervous system, that is the brain. Already the first we have discussed, that is the nerves. Now brain, see, in your book you can just go through that figure 4.7. So brain, it is the most delicate part, okay, and it is located inside the skull. So skull, this is the bony portion which protects the brain. Okay, inside the skull the brain is safe. Okay, basically see, the average weight of brain is 1.3 kg. So it ranges from 1.2 to 1.4 kg, and the brain, it is divided into three parts: cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla oblongata. So one by one we will discuss these. Cerebrum, see, this upper region, this is the largest part of the brain, and this is related to consciousness, storage, memory, information, intelligence, thinking and abstract feeling. So all these features which I have written here, this cerebrum is related to this, means all these features, they are controlled by the cerebrum part of the brain. Okay, and cerebrum, it is the largest part of the brain. Second is cerebellum. Cerebellum, it is basically that egg shaped structure, okay, which is just located under the cerebrum. Okay, and this cerebellum, what it does, it coordinates and it controls movement of muscles. Okay, so voluntary actions, it is controlling some of the voluntary actions, and it is also coordinates the movement of muscles. It makes a coordination between the muscle movement. Okay, third is medulla oblongata. So basically you can see, this is the medulla oblongata. Okay, the role of this medulla oblongata is to connect the spinal cord. Spinal cord we will discuss later on. It is a tube-like structure. This medulla connects spinal cord to the brain. Okay, and basically what it does, this medulla oblongata, it controls natural functions such as heartbeat, breathing and reflex action. So all the natural functions which are occurring inside the body, it is controlled by this medulla oblongata. Okay, so this much is in your syllabus, that the brain, it is divided into three major parts: cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla oblongata. Okay, the third part of the central nervous system is the spinal cord. So spinal cord, you can see, it is a tube-like structure, okay, which starts from the bottom of this medulla oblongata, and it, okay, remains up to the waist, जो हमारी कमर है. Okay, so this spinal cord, it is protected by the backbone. So we all are having backbone, we are vertebrates. So the spinal cord is protected inside a structure which is known as backbone. Okay, basically the function of the spinal cord is to help the messages to go from different body parts to the brain, and again from brain to different parts of the body. Okay, next students, fourth is the sense organs. Okay, so sense organ, you all know, these organs, what they do, they interact with surrounding. Okay, and they helps us to feel, they helps us to touch, they helps us to smell, they helps us to hear. So basically you all know, we have eyes, ear, nose, tongue and skin as sense organs. So eyes for what? Eyes for, okay, it is sensitive to light, so it is organ for sight. Ear is organ of hearing. Nose is organ of smelling, and the tongue, it is organ to taste. Skin, it is organ of touch. So whatever, okay, the hot or cold, the temperature feeling is there, it is just because of the presence of this sense organ.